Hello, everyone! Are you ready to step into the future of artificial intelligence and learn how machines see the world? Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy's Computer Vision Training Program, where ideas turn into real AI applications. Computer vision is one of the most powerful and in-demand fields in AI today. In Yajentio Training Academy's Computer Vision Training Program, you will learn how machines analyze, understand, and interpret images and videos, just like humans. This course is designed to take you from basic concepts to advanced techniques, even if you are a fresher or a beginner in AI and machine learning. You will start with image processing fundamentals and feature extraction. Then you will move on to object detection using YOLO, one of the most widely used models in the industry. You will also learn how to build facial recognition systems, perform image segmentation, and work with convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, for real-world applications. The program strongly focuses on real-time computer vision projects, helping you gain practical, industry-ready experience. Course details: duration, 10 weeks. Fee, 32,000 rupees. Eligibility, freshers and beginners in AI ML. Tools and technologies covered: OpenCV, TensorFlow, YOLO, CNNs, real-world image datasets. What you get? Hands-on, real-time projects, practical assignments, industry-recognized certification from Yajentio Training Academy, expert mentorship, and continuous support. By the end of this program, you will be confident in building powerful vision-based AI applications from scratch. If you are serious about building a career in computer vision and AI, Yajentio Training Academy is the right place for you. Enroll now and start your journey into visual intelligence with Yajentio Training Academy. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more AI and tech updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.